What kind of fish you looking for?
Kathleen Popeni.
What? Are you looking for food? This is manager.
We don't have any food.
Yeah, I'm looking for food.
We don't have any.
We
have
play.
no food.
You play soda?
We have no food.
Do you play soda?
No, I want to eat something. Can you please send me some food? Send some food for me.
Where you live?
I live in California, North Hollywood, California.
That's very far from here.
Then where are you?
Hello?
Mexico.
Who? Mexicans? You are Mexicans?
Sí, señor.
You have a chicken?
No more food.
¿Quién habla?
What you looking for?
We're from China.
For food.
Ah, what kind of food you look for?
I'm looking for a chicken.
Chicken?
We have no chicken.
Yeah.
We run out chicken.
You are... Then what you have?
We have pork fried rice.
Huh?
Pork fried rice.
Fried rice?
Yeah.
You have chicken fried rice?
Yes, and pork fried rice.
Okay, just pack one chicken fried rice and tell me more what you have.
We actually just put tandoori chicken on menu. You like tandoori?
Only chicken menu?
You like tandoori?
I like tandoori chicken.
Do you?
Yeah. And pack one tandoori chicken also. And what you have more? We are 4 people over there. We want to eat something. We are feeling hungry.
So come eat your food.
I don't come here. Just send the food. Like on delivery.
What you want?
Okay? I want food. I told you 100 times I want food. I'm feeling hungry.
Where you work? What company you work? Hello?